what's going on? I'm Steve. Hope you're doing just amazing today. We're going to learn Rick Springfield's Jessie's Girl in under 3 minutes. It's one of those amazing songs from the 1980s. My sister had a crush on him, and I thought he was just a one-hit wonder. And then I looked, and he's got like 5 amazing songs. So we're going to learn this one really fast, and it's going to be a lot of fun. So let's get to it. It's in D major, and you start off with some palm muting and go like this. So it's D major, the low notes of a D major, so the open D and the second fret of the G string. And immediately go to the A major, the low 2 strings of an A major right there, and then B minor, like that, B minor, the low notes again, and then G major, A major, D, right back there. Jessie's got a girl, all that stuff. Does a bunch of different verses, and then it ends up on an A major where it goes, builds up with this big swell as it rocks into the chorus. Jessie's Girl, A major to D major, then A major, and I use my finger sort of lay it across here because you're going to go into a B minor and then right back to an A major and right back to a B minor. So that's why I use my thumb. You can quickly just remove it, lay these fingers down to do a B minor, remove the thumb, and do that back to the A major. So A major, I wish that I had Jessie's girl. Jessie's girl. Then G major, why can't I find a woman like that? So it goes G, A, D, G, and pops it on the A major once, like that. Then it starts over with the verse and chorus, does it all again. Then in the middle, it does this little bridge. Dun, 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 dun. It's in G major. Dun, dun, dun. You know that. I've been funny. I've been cool with all the lines. So it just hangs out in G major for a while. Ain't that something? I don't know what the words are, but it ends up on A major, and then it goes. Cool, and the rockin' guitar part is going like this. But that's sort of like a solo guitarist. The chords are F sharp minor, no, F sharp major, but you're really hitting the low notes to B major, back to the F sharp major, and now to a G sharp minor. Does that twice or 2 or 3 times or whatever, then it goes, tell me. G, A, D, where can I find a G like A, like Jessie's Girl? Then it goes right back into the verses, you know, that solo, and then it keeps going, Jessie's Girl. So every time it's A, D, D, A, B minor, G, A, where can I find D major, a woman like G major, like that. Girl, up into D major. All right, let me know what you think about that one. It's a great song from the 80s, and give me some more suggestions in the comments. See you around.